come out to Central Park with our kids and have so much fun. I have my 4-year-old with me and I was like, let's go sledding. He was so excited and he's having so much fun. And it's so lively and exciting here as opposed to sitting at home and doing nothing. Here we are.
We love the snow. We logged into school this morning and now we're out playing in the snow. We love somebody else's snowman, but it's just important to make the best of this weather while we have it. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity and we love having fun in the snow. It's a snow angel. School this morning and now we're playing in the snow. Can you look up? Look up. Come on.
George, if you need to go look down, you can look down. Just like naturally.